Hey everybody, Dave Williamson here, and I've got some boxes to open today. And these boxes are not Hot Wheels, these are not Matchbox, these are not Johnny Lightning, these are not even promo models like those over there I opened the other day. This is some things for my newfound hobby of collecting train cars. Now, I wouldn't say I'm a train fanatic, but I bought a collection that had a bunch of train cars in it, and then I decided that, boy, train cars are awfully pretty, and I don't even have a train. But I've decided I wanted to start collecting train cars. Now this particular one here is a Tyco, and I have a lot of Viking cars from Germany that are the HO scale that go on these little train cars. And so I found this one, I particularly like it. It's a Tyco trailer train and car transporter. I haven't really figured out exactly how to get too many more of these. Every once in a while one comes up on eBay and I grab it. The first one I found at a local store, a collectible store in Oregon City, and I bought that, and I liked it so much that I started watching eBay to see if I could get some more of them. Now let's see here, this one's got a broken connector on the front, but these have to be modified so I can put a different type of connector on it. These are both missing, but that's okay. There's going to be some broken bits on some of these, and it's always like doing train stuff is like everything's a project, it seems like. But anyway, I do like this. I've got 3 of these now, and they got some cars. These are the cheapy ones, but I do like this. That's pretty neat. I haven't seen a pickup before. Every other one I got came with just, oh, that's neat too. Look at that. Every other one I ever bought came only with Chevy Citations, so that's good. And why are these broken off? I don't know. Are they broken off? I know nothing about these connectors, but that has to be modified, I think. So that's a project for the future. All right, let's check it out. I think I might got a couple of those. I don't even know what I bought, actually. Let's look in here and see what we've got. This guy's got eBay tape and an eBay box. Holy smokes. Oh, you know what? This is neat. This is Metal Train. So a local guy on Craigslist had a Metal Train from Model Power. He had a whole set for like 60 bucks. And I bought that, and I was so impressed with the quality of the cars that I decided I had to go on eBay and find some more of them. You know, if you have one, that's fun, but you must have more. So I bought a few more, and this one looks really good. Now, the Metal Train, for some reason or whatever reason, everything is made of metal. This is metal, and let's see, that frame, it looks to be probably metal or plastic. It's got nice little wheels. It's got the little metal wheels, which I like. And then it's got the fancy KD connectors on it. But this is isn't this a beauty? That is a beauty. So I'm kind of into trains like I'm into Hot Wheels. I like pretty things, and I want to get more and more of the pretty things. All right. Then again, I can't decide. Oh, it has good plastic adapters too. I can't decide if I'm collecting these cars and putting them on display and whatnot. Should I hang on to all these dumb boxes, or should I just toss them? I don't know. You know, if you ever want to sell them, it's better to have the box, but I'm not planning on selling this stuff. This is just for fun. This is just for fun. Probably have about as many as I need already, but I've got a few more in this box for the Metal Train. The Metal Train. I would like to have a train layout, but I don't have room for that, and that's very complicated. It requires a lot of artistic ability. Oh, look at this. Aha! It's another Metal Train. This one, a caboose. A caboose. Now, I didn't make a video of the train set that I bought. Like I said, I got it for 60 bucks on eBay. It was brand new in the box, had a track and everything. Started to set it up, but then the connector for the power supply didn't work. Look at this gorgeous thing. Metal Train. All right. I think I've got my share of Metal Train bits. Look at this. Model Power. Oh, look at this beauty. Whew. Be careful getting out of there. Oh my goodness, this thing is gorgeous. Look at that. A little dusty on top. Looks like it might have been used. Still got all the parts on it, it looks like. That thing is pretty. Wow, I like that. I like that. Like I say, I like to collect these like Hot Wheels. I just collect them and look at them. Collect them and look at them. Oops, got to put all the things back in the box. Like I say, I'm not sure I want to save all these dumb boxes, but maybe. They're no fun in the box. All right, and this box here has like 5 more of these Metal Train things, I believe. And that'd be about all I need for now until I figure out what I'm doing. Alrighty. Oh, yeah. Ooh, look at that. Yeah. Let's get a box over here. We can put these peanuts in. 1, 2, 3, 4. I thought there was 5. Is there another one down here? There is not. It is a pack of 4. All metal body, metal power. All right, let's get them out and see what we got. Boxes seem to come apart very easily, I noticed. Oh, we got the Pennsylvania freight car. Look at that. Ultra detailed. Wow, that's a coal car. That's cool. And we got the Armor box car, a refrigerator car. Pretty cool. And, oh, there's the 5th one down there. Got the Burlington Refrigerator Express. Trying to get all of them. I think that's the goal, is to get every one they made. Hey, wait a minute. Oh, this is Santa Fe. The other one was Pennsylvania. Oh, look at this gorgeous thing. Wow. It's a tiny one. It's a little shorty. That's just the load, I think, that goes on top. I wonder why it's so small. I have no idea why different cars are different sizes, but this one's really small. It's only that big. All right, I don't think I'm going to pull all these out right now because I've already got a huge mess. But that is really cool. And see, here's the list of all the ones that they made. So I'm going to try to get every one of them because that's what collectors do. That is what collectors do. 40-foot metal box, 40-foot metal tank. Oh, black. Pegasus horse. Oh, that would look nice. I think I'm going to go over to my computer right now and look up some more of these models so I can get every single one that's listed on the back of this box. What the heck? All right. That's all for this little train car video. Wait a minute. Wait, is this all for the train car video? No. Let's go look at all the pieces from the metal train set. All right, so this is where the metal train track ended up on the spare bed. Because I have no floor space for this, but the metal train model power came with a controller, and it came with a connector track, which was broken. I added some regular track to this. I think it's about right. So, and here's all the pieces that came with the original train. A Union Pacific. And I haven't run this thing yet. And, oh, this one, when I went to the guy's house, he also sold me this little one. It's all dusty, and I don't know if it works or not. We'll try that. And it also came with a Union Pacific caboose. Very nice, very nice. And it came with this beautiful Mobilgas. That is nice. These things are super heavy. And a trailer train, a flatbed, really super nice. And that has cars with it. Let's see, they're over here. Nice Chevy. Pretty cool. Oops. And a Dodge Viper. And they're supposed to just sit right on top there. I don't think they lock down or anything. And a Shelby. You put those on top of the trailer train. And then we've got the State of Maine. Bangor and Aroostook products. Pretty darn cool. A little dusty. And those all go on this track. And one of these days I'm going to get this working. Let them walk, let them roll around a little bit. That'll be fun. Also, the guy I got the train track from threw in a couple of these buildings, which I think are HO scale, possibly. These are pretty cool. Replica from a Hallmark show. General store. Pretty neat. And Hayes. I like the Christmas theme. I think I need a Christmas theme. Here's that little train. It's pretty cool. Seems like it is missing a part, but they only charged me $10 for it. So I'll get that running. My goal is to have sort of a semi-modern train with a lot of neat cars, and also an antique car with a lot of neat antique cars, and some buildings and whatnot, and maybe a big sheet with a lot of track. And we'll get that going as soon as I can. All right, so thanks for joining me on this video. Be sure to watch some of my other videos. If you're into Hot Wheels and Matchbox, or if you have any Hot Wheels collections, please get a hold of me at davidtoycarcollector@gmail.com. That's toycarcollector@gmail.com. Now check out these other videos that I have for your watching pleasure. I've got videos about Hot Wheels. I've got Matchbox. I've got Johnny Lightning. Even got a few train videos in there. So thanks for watching, and you have a great day.